Hi guys, so today I'm going to be trying a Kinder Joy. Let's see how this tastes. Give me a sec. Let me set the camera down to open up the Kinder Joy. As you all know, there's like two sides to Kinder Joys. If you didn't, here's what they look like. Okay, what's this one? Oh, it's the toy. Okay. This thing. Oh, weird. It's a Kinder Joy thingy. Okay. Okay, I got a cute penguin that I gotta build. I can't take off the feet. That would be helpful though. No, wait, it's just gonna stay like that. Yeah. Let's try this. This actual snack. Oh, that smells great. Oh my god, I can't get the wrapper off. Oh, there we go. This is what it looked like. It smelled delicious. It smells delightful. Ah. Okay. I don't want to try the vanilla yet. Whoa. That hole looks crazy. This vanilla, it looks like slime. Okay, I just licked it and it is not what I thought it was. I'm gonna try to put the Kinder thing back on because I do not want to eat this now. Because I just licked it and it does not feel. Yeah, it does not taste very nice. Oh wait, there's instructions how to put the Kinder together. It's showing me all the different ones you can get, blah blah blah. I need the instructions. Help me, Mama. Yeah, I need help. It's supposed to go on like that, but the feet are in the ways. The platform for the feet are in the way. Putting that on. Dirty past, did it. Yay! She did it. Look at him. He's adorable. Okay. Yeah. Look at him. Oh. Look at him. He's just a little guy. Of course I love him. Hold up, I'm gonna do a little bit of ASMR. This does not last time, by the way. You can do this forever. Also, they gave you whatever this is. Is there what you see there? Done this. Pretty cash on sugar. Anyway, this is the only one time I got. So let me just show you. Let me press down on this and be like, okay, that's it. There's no helping this. Look on the back. Press the little holes. And when you hear that sound, that means it's popping back up. Okay, one may not be fixable, but that's fine. Just press that back down. Cash for you. Okay, the Kindle egg thing is done. Oh, look at that. And now all I need to do is just press this, and then it'll be already. I love pushing that on. Bye guys.